How to copy Discord profile link on mobile? Open the Discord app and tap on profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select the advanced option. Make sure you have toggle on developer mode on Discord. Come back from here and you need to go to messages at the bottom of the screen. Open the random chat of any user on Discord, and here you can type any messages here and send to this user. Now tap on your profile on this screen. Once this open, you need to tap on three dots at the upper right corner of the screen, and now tap on copy user ID. The user ID has already been copied. Let's come back from this, and you need to tap on message and you need to paste the user ID. So that's how we copy the profile link on mobile of Discord. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.